Welcome again to the FreeTAK team channel. In this series, we are discussing development updates that will bring you FreeTAK server 2X, and the new name is going to be FutureTAKServer. And this time, we want to discuss about security. So security is very important if you want to deploy FTS in a professional environment, especially FTS, as you probably know, can be also used in high security operations such as the military or even your airsoft game, and we know that need to be extra secure. So what is that we are doing to be secure by design? So we want to run security scan every time that we do any change. So we have implemented a bunch of checks in our code base that you can see on our GitHub. And you can see that we have a code QL analysis, and we have also a CIDR analysis. Recently, CIDR went down, but we have a equivalent now that is running. And every time that we commit some code into the repository, we get some warning, and so we will review the code to ensure that it's very safe. Also, another aspect is not simply security, but also quality of the code, and finally compatibility. So FTS 2X is going to be compatible with Python 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, and 3.11. And every time that we commit some code, we ensure that will pass the test for all the different languages. Additionally, we are creating a set of tests, including the unit test. For the one that don't know what a unit test is, each function of FTS is going to be tested as a single function. And then we are going to have also a integration test framework. And that means that we are going to simulate a TAC client and simulate the behavior of the TAC client. Now, that has certain challenges because, as you probably know, in the TAC infrastructure, we have a lot of clients. The most famous one are AirTAC, iTAC for the iPhone, WinTAC. Then there are also other more obscure clients such as XTAC, that is going to be the Unix slash Linux client for desktop, and even clients like VTAC, that is the virtual reality client. All of that is developed in parallel, and that means we don't have a single behavior. But we will do our best to provide the better integration test possible so that everything that a TAC client can do, FTS will understand and simply connect to that client. So that is the end of this short introduction on security. And if you're interested to see what we are planning, please watch the next videos in the series.